Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about the fascinating world of Bitcoin and exploring what real investors think about this revolutionary cryptocurrency. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Bitcoin has been making headlines and capturing the attention of both seasoned investors and the general public alike. But what do the experts have to say? Join us on this journey as we uncover the diverse perspectives surrounding Bitcoin. Before we delve into the opinions of investors, let's start by understanding the origins and underlying technology of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on a decentralized technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency, security, and immutability. As a seasoned investor with years of experience, I firmly believe in the immense potential of Bitcoin. Its infinite supply and decentralized nature makes it an attractive store of value. Bitcoin's ability to provide financial sovereignty and act as a hedge against traditional financial systems are key reasons why I'm bullish on its long-term prospects. Bitcoin has proven its resilience and market acceptance over the years. The growing institutional adoption, along with the increasing number of companies accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, signals a shift in the financial landscape. These factors contribute to my optimistic outlook on Bitcoin's future. While there are passionate supporters, there are also skeptics who question Bitcoin's long-term viability. Let's hear from a couple of them. I have reservations about Bitcoin's future. Its price volatility is a significant concern, making it a speculative investment. Moreover, the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies remains uncertain. As an investor, I prefer assets with more stability and regulatory clarity. I share similar reservations. While Bitcoin has gained popularity, it faces challenges from other cryptocurrencies that offer improved scalability and transaction speeds. The competition within the cryptocurrency space could potentially impact Bitcoin's market dominance in the long run. It's crucial to consider the risks and potential rewards associated with Bitcoin. Let's explore some key factors investors should keep in mind. Bitcoin, like any investment, carries risks. It's essential for investors to conduct thorough research, understand the market dynamics, and manage their risk exposure accordingly. Diversification and a long-term investment approach are vital in navigating the volatility that accompanies Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. There you have it, an array of perspectives from real investors on Bitcoin. It's essential to weigh both the bullish and skeptical viewpoints to make informed investment decisions. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your due diligence, stay updated on market developments, and understand your risk tolerance. As we conclude our discussion, let's explore some of the potential benefits and concerns associated with Bitcoin. One of the significant benefits of Bitcoin is its potential to serve the unbanked and underbanked populations worldwide. With traditional banking systems inaccessible to many, Bitcoin provides a decentralized and inclusive financial alternative. However, it's important to acknowledge some concerns as well. One such concern is the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. The energy consumption associated with the mining process has raised questions about its sustainability. It's crucial for the industry to address these concerns and explore more environmentally friendly solutions. Now let's shift our focus to the future of Bitcoin. I believe that Bitcoin will continue to evolve and mature as an asset class. Its increasing integration into mainstream finance and advancements in scalability and transaction speed will be critical factors in its growth and acceptance. I expect to see further institutional adoption and regulatory clarity in the future. While Bitcoin has already made significant strides, we can't ignore the potential for further disruptions and innovations within the cryptocurrency space. New technologies, such as Layer 2 solutions and decentralized finance, DeFi applications, could shake the future landscape of digital currencies, including Bitcoin. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the diverse opinions surrounding Bitcoin. Remember, the decision to invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency should be based on thorough research and consideration of your own financial goals and risk appetite. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.